You're going to see a lot of videos of people teaching you how to make Thanksgiving turkey. I don't need to put up another one. What I'm showing you is what to do with the leftovers, how to turn the leftover bones and scraps of meat into the most comforting bowl of congee. Congee is like a savory porridge made of rice. It shares a spirit with oatmeal, grits, porridge, and polenta. It's a modest-looking dish, but it's all I want to beat a cold winter. Usually it's served very plain. Any flavor you add to it usually comes in the form of some kind of condiment, which allows everyone to make their own bowl the way they like it. It's also a great way to help you get over illness and a lifesaver if you've got stomach issues. But during the holiday season, after Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving, we all fight over the carcass of the turkey because this version of congee can only be made out of a holiday roasted turkey. The trick is not to do anything special with your turkey. Just make it as you always have. The only thing that doesn't work well are turkeys that are deep fried. All that extra oil makes for a greasy congee, and personally I wouldn't recommend it. You could just boil the turkey into a stock and cool it so that you can take all that oil off. It wouldn't be a problem then, but it adds an extra step with lots of waiting. The other best part is when it comes to the leftover meat that you put in it, congee is an equalizer. Light meat, my least favorite, even when it's dry and chalky, will string up and become satisfying, and dark meat will do the same. These strings of meat will add a hearty texture to it. It's got that stick to your ribs goodness, but it's gentle on you. Add a little ginger while it cooks and it'll help you warm up too. It might come as a shock to some of you, but there isn't a small amount of people in Hong Kong who celebrate Thanksgiving. You can go ahead and Google it. You'll find articles and ads that show you restaurants with specials. I think one of my friends had a turducken one year. I think he said it was dry. There's no history in these celebrations, at least I don't think there are. I'm pretty sure they celebrate Thanksgiving the same way we do St. Patrick's Day or Cinco de Mayo. As our lives become more connected, and as more people live farther away from where they're from, traditions and celebrations are going to be brought with them. It's kind of weird to practice gratitude right now. After the year we've had, finding things to be grateful for seems to be like taking joy from a year that's been actively hurting so many people. At the same time, it really makes you realize how lucky it is that you're even still around, so maybe it's not so weird after all. I don't think I've seen my mom since February, my brother the same, my dad since last Christmas. They're over in Hong Kong and obviously I can't get over there. I'm sad about it, but I'm grateful for the fact that they're somewhere safer than I am. I mean, I'm pretty grateful to be relatively safe where I am too. I hope you're being safe where you are. I need to be more grateful when it comes to time. I've become pretty impatient. If a website doesn't load as soon as I call for it, my eyes will dart to the lights of my modem to see if anything is wrong. When I write a sentence down in the search bar, half the time I expect it to finish that sentence before I'm finished writing. I spend a lot of time obsessing over time, but I don't have much gratitude when it comes to the fact that I have it. I hope this Thanksgiving that even if you'll be practicing gratitude in a less conventional way, far apart as opposed to all together, that you'll feel no less love in your celebration. This year's being apart is how we show each other we love each other. The news has been positive lately, and the next time make up for it and celebrate the fact that we all ever got to see each other again at all. Nobody said we had to celebrate Thanksgiving in the fall anyway.